Hello everyone, if you're trying to use your Wi-Fi and you keep getting this problem, Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on your computer or your laptop easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here CMD and you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes then, and then you're going to put all four of these commands one by one. I'm going to put all four of these commands into the description of the video. So first you're going to put this command in, and then you're going to put this command in, after that this one, and lastly you're going to put this command in. And once you're done with all four of those commands, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here network reset, and you're going to click on reset now here. And what that will do is that will reset your network, and afterwards it will restart your computer. And once your computer is done restarting, now you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go on to any website and you'll see that your Wi-Fi will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix your Wi-Fi problem on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.